Hello everyone. Right, today we're gonna show you how to solder a copper pipe. So if you're beginner to this, what you have, just have two pieces of copper pipe, a joint, and then make sure you have a solder mat with you, a flux. You need this sponge. It's like a metal sponge. It's a wall pad, how you can see in here, so you can buy anywhere in the shop, in the tool station or plumbing shop or screw fix. You need a lead free to solder, and the gun to solder, and the gas. Alright, let's begin. So first step to do when you have this dirty pipe, you need to clean it with the wall pad. So make sure you clean it so you see the difference. Now it's much cleaner like this. The lid will stack on it, otherwise you won't if it's dirty like this. So make sure you clean it properly. So if you don't have this, you can also use this just by putting it inside and it will clean. I'll show you the difference on here. So this is start cleaning as well, and then also you need to put it inside and clean it, alright? In both ends, depending where you need to solder. Okay, so now we had cleaning this, we'll clean the other part. So we are preparing the pipe to be soldered. And then as I don't have how to solder the pipe at the moment, I will use this. So now we take this brush, we take the flux, no excessive flux. We start brushing around like this. So don't exceed with the flux. Then this, it must be, so this we put in here, like this we solder through. We clean this also inside, okay? Like this, the flux and the lid will stay on it. Okay, so and then this one we going to put inside here. Then now that we have cleaned this, we do the same procedure. We take the flux, we put with the brush here, and then okay, then we put it back. Put it inside here. Then what we do is we clean the excessive flux that came out. Alright, awesome. Then we start. The flame must be like this. It doesn't need to make any noise. You see? Like this, it must be quiet. Then make sure you take your finger for the size like this, no more than that. Then what you have to do, start to warming up the pipe. Okay, then what we missed to do, okay, so then make sure you get a wet cloth, put it on the side here, so like this. If there is any flux, like CD flux, it will take off. Alright, then you open this and see that the lid has gone through all over here. Everything is nice apart of this exceeding leak. Then also inside here, in here, everything is done. Thank you for watching me, and then I will do more video for learner